641 horsepower. From a V8, that's more power than the W12 it replaced. Bentley just proved that losing 4 cylinders doesn't mean losing performance. This is the 2026 Bentayga Speed, and it's the most powerful Bentayga ever built. Standing in front of this thing at the Brussels Motor Show, the presence is unmistakable. Dark tinted brightware wraps around the front fascia, giving the Matrix grille a more menacing look compared to the standard Bentayga. Those headlamps feature dark bezels that match the smoked gray taillights at the rear. Speed badges sit proudly on the front doors. The wheels you're looking at are 22-inch Speed designs finished in dark tint, but there's an option for 23-inch wheels when you spec the carbon ceramic brakes. That's a first for Bentley. Body lines flow from the sculpted hood through muscular haunches that sit wide over those massive wheels. An optional black roof is another first for the Bentayga, available in gloss or satin depending on your exterior color. At the rear, the standard sport exhaust features dual tailpipes, but the optional Akrapovic titanium system adds quad tips for a more aggressive look and an even more thunderous sound. Slide inside, and this is where Bentley really shows what handcrafted luxury means. The leather seats feature a new precision diamond quilting pattern, created exclusively for Speed models. Side bolsters grip you firmly, while the seat centers remain soft and comfortable. Speed emblems are embroidered into the seat uppers, stitched into the tread plates, and badged on the passenger fascia. Look up, and there's an Alcantara headliner adding that sporty touch. The color split is dramatic here with a dark secondary hide, setting the base while pops of your primary leather color accent. The seat edges, doors, and instrument panel. Bentley's signature bullseye air vents can be finished in dark tint or chrome, depending on your preference. The rotating display on the center console still hides the 12.9-inch touchscreen when you want a cleaner dashboard look. Rear passengers get a smartphone-style controller built into the center armrest for climate, audio, and window blind adjustments. The cargo area offers 481 liters with the rear seats in place, which translates to about 17 cubic feet. Fold those seats down and you're looking at 1,774 liters of space. A powered tailgate is standard, and there's ample lighting throughout the cargo bay. Tie-down hooks and a removable cargo cover keep your belongings secure. Under that long hood sits a 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8, producing 641 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 arrives in 3.4 seconds, and top speed reaches 193 miles per hour with the carbon ceramic brakes. 4-wheel steering comes standard along with Bentley Dynamic Ride, and for the first time on any Bentayga, there's a drift mode and launch control. Pricing starts around $325,000 before options. In most examples you'll see configured will approach $400,000. For collectors who want one of the last pure internal combustion Bentleys before the brand goes electric, this is it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.